Head of security, all staff members who are present, the guild cabinet, our former guild, His Excellency Lutuama, the speaker, the president, vice president, and all the ministers, the students' body, members of media, our judges, thank you for coming, and we appreciate ourselves. Getting to this day was not easy. You remember when COVID came in, all activities that were exceeding 200 people were suspended. So we thank God that we are back in business. Can we thank God, ladies and gentlemen? The Office of the Dean of Students, our mission is always to have an activity every week. And I think it is 2 weeks ago when we had the mission week. Chaplain, we appreciate you so much. And ever since we announced that we shall be having Gala, students have not been sleeping. For the last 3 weeks, students have been rehearsing up to midnight. Can we appreciate the students? I would like to remind the students that we are back in the University Football League, and on Saturday we shall be playing with Kozi University. So you go down and support our team. US, I would like to take this opportunity to thank management for the support. All this that you've seen here, the judges, the costumes, the instruments, everything, the public address system, the drinks, everything. Thank you so much. Can we appreciate management? I would like also to appreciate Team Dean of Students Office, Mr. Tadeo Winnie. Can you stand up? Can we appreciate him? Mr. Malik Patrick, is he still around? They have left. Mr. Raj, all the people that we work with, thank you so much. I also want to thank the chairpersons of associations because they have managed to mobilize all these students. The turnout you've seen here is because the association chairpersons have been with us. Thank you so much. At this point, I would like to invite my boss, Mr. Chinje Elijah, the University Secretary, to make his remarks. Thank you very much.